In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a video in Google Vids in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, resizing video content is a fundamental skill that can dramatically impact the way your videos are received by your audience. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to navigate to Google Vids. Open your preferred browser and type in the Google Vids URL or search for Google Vids in your search engine. This will take you directly to the main page of Google Vids where you can start the process. Once you're on the Google Vids homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You'll see a sign in button prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. However, if you're already logged into your Google account, it may automatically bypass this step or simply ask you to choose an account to continue with. It's important to ensure that you're signing into the Google account associated with the content you intend to manage or edit. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on your Google Vids dashboard. But where do you begin with resizing a video? The answer lies in the Insert tab. Look for the Insert option in the top menu. This is your gateway to modifying and enhancing your videos. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu with various options, but for now we're focused on uploading your video, so click on the Upload option. The upload feature is incredibly straightforward. It allows you to browse through the video files on your computer. So go ahead and click on Browse to find the video you wish to resize. Once you've located the file, select it and it will begin uploading to Google Vids. This might take a few moments depending on the size of your video and the speed of your internet connection. Now, here's where the magic happens. After your video has been uploaded, you'll be taken to a new screen with your video ready to edit. You'll notice that by placing your cursor on the corners or edges of the video frame, you can click and drag to resize your video. Adjusting the size is as easy as dragging it down to make it smaller or upwards to enlarge it. This step is crucial and allows you to customize the video to your desired specifications. Whether you're trying to make it fit a specific layout, accentuate certain elements, or simply adjust it to a more viewer-friendly size, this tool gives you the flexibility to do so. As you're resizing your video, take a moment to preview the changes and make sure it fits your vision. The beauty of Google Vids is that it allows you to iterate quickly. You can easily adjust the size back and forth until you find the perfect dimensions for your video. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully resized your video in Google Vids. Whether you're preparing a presentation, creating content for social media, or editing personal videos, knowing how to quickly adjust your video size is an invaluable skill in today's digital landscape. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different video sizes and see how they complement your overall design or storyboard. Each project may have unique requirements, and the flexibility to adjust video size accordingly will ensure your content always looks its best. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and easy to follow. Keep exploring, experimenting, and enhancing your videos with Google Vids, and you'll find that there's no limit to what you can create. Until next time, happy editing.